Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me, aka the cheapest Traxxas Slash project. Now I'm out here to do a speed test because it occurred to me in the last video we have yet to do a speed test with the new gearing I'm running in my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive. So if you missed the most recent video, upgrade video I should say, if you missed the most recent upgrade video I'll put a card in the corner, but I installed the 32-pitch gear conversion from Hot Racing for the Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive. It also includes the other 110 scale two-wheel drive machines from Traxxas. And it bolts right in place of the 48-pitch gears. And basically it just beefs up the gears. So 32-pitch gears is what the 110 scale 4x4 machines from Traxxas come with, rather than the 48-pitch, which is what the two-wheel drive come with. And I was stripping too many of the 48-pitch gears, so it was time for this upgrade. It sets you back about 25-30 bucks. I'll actually leave a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. The one I got was a 58 tooth Spur Gear, and it came with an 18 tooth pinion. So I'm interested to know how fast it's gonna go. But we're gonna be running a 3-cell pack. I'm gonna be running this 5200 milliamp 3-cell Huvo pack with a ADC discharge rate. And we're gonna jump right in this speed test. I got the battery installed, but the other thing I decided I think I'm gonna do is I've got this Baja bug body from Summit Link that I've been running recently. I'm actually gonna mount that up on this machine because it's gonna catch air and parachute with the stock Traxxas Slash body. It's a lot less likely to do that with this Volkswagen Bug Baja body. So that's what we're gonna do. Now this right here is going to be the GPS I'm gonna be using right here. So I've got it turned on, and let's see, right there, it is set to record the maximum speed in miles per hour. I'll probably get it hooked on probably something back here, and we'll make some passes. So go ahead, put down in the comments below what do you think it's gonna get for top speed. I'm thinking this should be like 55 mile per hour gearing, I would guess. Maybe 60, I don't know. It's hard to tell. We're still running the stock system, by the way, so it's still a VXL3 SCSC and the 3500 kV Valenian motor. But yeah, let me get the body thrown on. By the way, the body's also going to be linked in the description down below. Those also come in multiple different colors, all with this splash design. So check them out if you're interested. They only come in at 30 bucks. All right, here goes nothing. Take her down this way first. I still have to be pretty easy on that throttle because it still will go airborne. Okay, right there to begin with, make sure it's clear, and here we go, on the throttle. I'm not quite getting up to full throttle. You can see it still wants to lift. Spin around right there, do it back in this direction. Here we go. GPS is still on there, but like it's barely hanging on. You know what, screw it, let's just check what did we get? 56.9 miles per hour, not bad. I think that's probably the fastest I've ever gone with this two-wheel drive machine actually. And so that's just a testament that the bug body really helps it stay on the ground better, but you can still see when I start getting really close to pinned, it still wants to lift up, and as soon as it catches on that rear bumper, that's what makes it crash. I got thinking, since we still have battery, let's just try an all-out speed test without any body on. Yeah, right back here, the body's pushing right up against it, which is what's making the tape break. So I just decided maybe it'll hold right here. It's not on there super good. I didn't reset it, so it's still set at 56.9, so we're only gonna get a faster speed if we top that. Let's see if we can beat that 56.9. Our best chance of actually getting up to full throttle is with no body on. So even though the Baja bug body is a lot better at not catching the air, it still will. Here we go. Let's bring it back in this direction. Off the road. There, I'm pinned, right there. There. That would have got us a top speed, I think, guys, because that one I actually got pinned for a few seconds. You can bring it back in this direction one more time for good measure. Pinned. right, guys, let's bring her in. That would have been our fastest pass. That should have surpassed 56.9. All right, what do you guys think? Yeah, it should have beat 56.9. And it did, guys. 58.3. So that's plenty. So that's pretty similar probably to what the top speed gearing has, which Traxxas claims is 60 miles per hour plus. I don't think I've ever reached 60, but you can probably expect mid to high 50s. So 58.3, not too shabby. So that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Later.